welcome back to another unboxing. So we're gonna be doing another one of the Target Best of sets, and this one is the Be a Natural set, valued at over 35 bucks. You get 9 pieces featuring Target clean self-care products you and the planet will love. So, also perfectly matchy-matchy with my outfit today. So I mean, if I had done this sooner, I could have been using this as a purse today. As if I need a purse but didn't go anywhere. We're having Thanksgiving at home. Still, it's just the whole concept of it, but very pretty, just saying. So, get the tissue paper out the way. First thing in, from Love, Beauty, and Planet, we have the Argan Oil and Lavender Smooth and Serene Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Nice sample size there. This one is the calming definition for frizzy hair and acts of love for our planet. Very, very nice. So, it's got no sulfate cleansers, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, and no guilt. Very nice. I'm actually really excited for that one. Especially since it's lavender, and you guys know how I love my lavender. Next up in here, from a brand called Alafia, I almost messed up and said alfalfa. It's the Authentic African Black Soap for all skin types. Unrefined shea butter all in one. And it's wild lavender scent. Hey, more lavender. You know I love it. Let's see here. Ethical, handcrafted, and clean. Let's see here. Handcrafted from a centuries-old recipe, our gentle detoxifying multi-purpose black soap is made with certified fair trade, unrefined shea butter, suitable for any skin type, even the most sensitive. You can use it as a facial cleanser, body wash, or a shaving soap. Cool. It's got like a really ridiculously short ingredient list. It's got African mint extract, saponified shea butter and palm kernel oil, laurel glucoside, and lavender oil, and that's it. Orangutan safe. Okay. Whatever. Made with love and respect. When you choose Alafia's Fair Trade Skin and Hair Care, you empower West African women, families, and their future. That's pretty cool. And again, lavender, so I'm a happy camper. So from, is this brand called Frank Body? Yeah, Frank Body. This is their original coffee scrub. Yes, that is a butt. Guess what? You'll be naked in a minute. Original coffee scrub exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. I feel like I got a bigger one of this in Ipsy one time, if I remember right. If it wasn't this, it was something hella similar, because I feel like I remember seeing that on the front of it. But yeah, get naked, get in the shower, babe. Get dirty, wet your skin, and grab a handful of scrub. Get rough, scrub in circular motions from top to toe. Get clean, leave for 3 minutes, then rinse. Okay. And then on the perforated line, tear my top off. Nice. Then, from Pacifica, we've got the Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. With coconut and vitamin B. I hope they mean coconut oil. Nourishing Powers Long Wear Plush Vegan Brush. Oh, let's read the ingredients. Okay! Anyway. Let's see here. Coconut oil. Yeah, it's coconut oil that's in this, so obviously this is a sample size, so that's okay though. I mean, with mascaras, a sample size still goes a long way. And then, this one I probably will pass on, but that's okay because I'm pretty sure I used to use the full size of this, and then I developed a coconut allergy, but it's just Suave. It's the Suave Hydrating Shampoo and Coconut. So, with ingredients derived from palm and other plants, coconut, rock salt, corn, and cotton, plus water preservative and natural fragrance. It's just a little bitty thing. I don't feel like I'm missing out on much. And just given the appearance, I am almost positive this is the exact stuff I used to use, just in like newer packaging. So then, this is like a good size. From a brand called Flamingo, we have their Daily Moisturizing Lotion with squalane for hydration, white willow bark, and papaya extract for exfoliation. It's 3 fluid ounces, so again, you know, 15 bucks. I mean, that's a good value right there. So we've got that. Then from Naturium, we have the Niacinamide Cleansing Gelée 3%. Niacinamide 3% plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So you got 2 fluid ounces. So again, really good sizes in here. Then we've got, from that brand Hello, another sample of their activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil, their epic whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. So there's that. And then finally, the last thing from a brand called Cocoa Kind. It's a cleanser packaged in a sugarcane made tube, which is crazy because it just feels like normal plastic. It's their oil to milk cleanser, prebiotic cleanser for soft and replenished skin. So not a huge size, but I mean, not terrible either. But yeah, so I mean, I got it for $15. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.